Hi traders, welcome to the F Trader. I'm Kay and I'm just going to give you guys a quick market briefing. But if you like this channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so as discussed yesterday, we took a long position here in gold and we were hoping for higher highs. As you can see, we've had these beautiful, nice bull flags, and I think we're just forming another one here and we're going a bit higher. We're going to take off some money here. I'm going to probably exit by about 50% of our position, and I'm going to move our stop loss to break even, and then we'll manage the position as it keeps going higher, hopefully. But nothing much more to add there. The dollar has started to weaken, which is why the gold has been pushing up higher. You know, I do feel this is another bull flag, and hopefully we'll be getting some higher highs. We did come to this region of the sideways. Let me just go on to a daily chart. We may see that. So we were going in a bit of a sideways pattern here, and we kind of, after this breakdown, we've come back up, and we've kind of gone into that sideways region again. So what's going to be quite key for me is once we break out of this, and hopefully if we do that and start testing the 1900s, we should be really on to the money and a better bull run. But that's it for gold at the moment. We're holding that long position and waiting for higher highs. On the cable, we went long as well. That's literally shot up quite nicely. This is a 4-hour chart. So if I just go to the daily, we took a long position there, and it's, as you can see, we've gone into even more profit. What I'm going to do is we're going to probably tighten our stop, not at break-even point, but just in case, because gold, you know, the cable tends to come and touch the 20 EMA, and if it does that, we want to be in a better position to maybe go long again, or if it just breaks through. So we're going to tighten our stops at the moment, and we'll manage that position as well. But it's kind of broken out of this sideways. It started to go into a little bit of a sideways pattern, and we got this sell-off here. And then, you know, the buyers came in, the bulls came in and pushed it up in the last couple of sessions. But so it's managed to break out of that quite nicely, and I'm quite pleased with that. We are just going to show you the graph for the Euro USD. I was discussing, let me just go on a daily on this one. So as discussed with this, it keeps breaking through the 40 EMA and then breaks out again. I hadn't taken a long position. I still haven't. I'm waiting just a little bit more, just until the next couple of sessions to see it have a nice breakout here. But what I wanted to show you guys on the 4-hour chart is we formed a shoulder, head, and a shoulder, an inverse head and shoulders, and the neckline, and it's broken through that. So that's quite positive. If that continues to run, I can easily see the Euro USD hit about the 1.21, 1.22, sorry, the 1.2150, the 1.22. So this is something that I'm looking to, and that's going to be quite positive for us if we take a long position. Just quickly on the US dollar index. This is a 1-hour chart, and as you can see, it's literally just broken down. I was a bit worried about this shoulder, head and shoulder again, that it's going to maybe at this point break through that and we're going to get a more stronger dollar. But it didn't do that in the last 3 sessions now. It's broken down and the dollar seems to be just weakening. I'm putting this down to the Fed printing more money and worries of inflation, and the stock market going higher and higher. So, you know, if this pattern continues, I can definitely see the US dollar index coming down to the 89.4 and giving this support a good test for its money. Quickly just on Bitcoin, let me just close this, get this open. So I was hoping that at this point in Bitcoin it would pull back. It didn't, with the news with Elon Musk and Tesla buying 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin shares. Sorry, not shares, coins. And we haven't had that. We have now gone into a little bit of a consolidation here on a 4-hour chart. If this pattern will continue and it will go higher, then it will, and we've missed this trade, that's okay. I always prefer to be comfortable getting into a position rather than actually just jumping in and you know, having FOMO and fear of missing out. If we do get a decent enough pullback and then we see some consolidation and then we see some bull flag like this, like these minimum, I mean here it just shot out too quickly, and these are not exactly bull flags. but some decent price pattern movement, I will go long. If we start testing this support, we will definitely start taking a long position. If we break through this and we start forming a bearish pattern, then we will take a short. But at the moment, we are sitting out and waiting for a better price. Thanks a lot for tuning in. There's some data out tomorrow. We should get some action in the market, and I'll let you guys know. Thanks.